single conductors, are used in conduit, cable tray, duct banks, and direct burial installations. We offer thermoset XHHW-2, USE-2, or RHW-2 in 14 gauge through 750 kc mil copper. All cables are CT rated, UL 600 volt 1 kV rated. ServicePRO-X is available and stocked in a wide range of industry standard colors, and conductors can be striped or numbered. Industrial end users only want thermoset XLPE cables like XHHW-2, USE-2, and RHW-2 because they're all made with cross-linked polyethylene instead of PVC nylon. XLPE products like the XHHW-2 highlighted here are more resistant to chemicals and abrasions and far less toxic than PVC in the event of a fire or corona discharge. In this comparison chart, you can see that ServiceWire's thermoset XHHW-2 has a dielectric constant of less than 3.5, meaning the cable's insulation has a greater ability to resist leakage current. And the cable insulation resistance is sustainably higher than PVC. This means the cable can handle more spikes and inrushes over longer periods of time while protecting critical circuits at risk of electrical interference from high leakage current. XHHW-2 also has a higher maximum and lower minimum temperature rating, protecting the cable in open air installations. And the thermoset XLPE compound has almost 5 times the crush resistance, providing to be more durable cable.